What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Right now, I'm looking dusty and musty, man. I'm in the Walmart attire with my YG Phazos. My girl got me those, so shout out to her. I ain't like low-key, I ain't never bought myself my YG Phazos, but right now we heading up into Walmart. We're gonna pick something up real quick. As y'all can see by the time on the thumbnail, we about to let her drive today. And the crazy part is she's actually had a straight 8 before, so, but she ain't really drove it like, you know, drove it. And yeah, so about to see how that go. I just want to see how she would drive it. She actually starting to like my car now, so to see how she do, because I actually gotta drop off a check somewhere, so we're gonna let her drive there. But first, let me go ahead and Walmart and get what I need to get. Then we gonna change out my Walmart attire. You see the panda and the tacos, you know what I'm saying? But see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we got her in the car. Look at it. Oh, bad and bougie, fine as hell. Bad and bougie. Don't look at my roof. I've been taking forever. There go another charger. But you gotta get yourself all situated. Get your mirrors.
I'm trying.
Should we let her get the second memory seats?
I think so.
Yeah, I told y'all earlier, she actually had a straight 8. That's crazy.
Straight 8?
Yeah.
For what? How I drove?
No, you had an SRT.
Oh, yeah. I was like, what?
For like a day. From Chicago. Broke down.
And I had it for like a couple months.
But we ain't gonna talk about that.
But it kept smoking. I should have named this Smokey.
Oh, brother!
Anyways, you got yourself situated? Everything
Yes,
cool?
I think so.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go to the car wash quick before we go to Chicago. You know where it's at?
No. Maybe I should drive without my purse being in the way.
Michael Kors, bad and bougie. Let's see. All right, y'all, we gonna cut to when we actually driving though. Why is a
You
little
don't want to carry
handbag?
all this stuff in there.
Nigga, I'm starting to think there's a Glockiana in there. Let me check. I gotta make sure my life ain't in danger. Okay.
Wouldn't it be safe if I had a Glock?
To be honest, I don't know. Is it safe that you driving? I don't know.
You've seen me drive.
Yeah, she was cutting up in the rain, but she ain't got no rear wheel drive.
That's
so.
because, yeah.
All right, y'all. We gonna get back to. Oh no, we starting to drive. Never mind.
Why are you so nervous?
I ain't never had nobody drive this car like with me in it, so it feels.
So you feel funny?
Yeah.
Being a passenger in your own car?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a dog! Show the dog!
What
The dog is loose. Who's your baby?
You gonna run the dog over?
Who's your baby? Who's your baby?
Oh my Lord, she done put down the wrong window.
I said, who's your baby? He just walked away minding his own business.
She gonna run the dog over.
No, I wasn't. I wanted
There
to
goes the
talk
dog. I didn't die yet, so I think we good so far. So.
Can I cut up?
The gas really quick, not like punch it, just like blip, like that.
Oh.
And it switches the gears. You said something.
I said, oh.
Cause I got
Okay.
a Hellcat. Just
Then
hit
I had to get
it.
used to
Just hit it.
What, like
You didn't even hit it.
Well, was I supposed to push it all the way?
I didn't even put it in sport.
Oh, I could feel it too, the difference.
Oh, she having
That's crazy. That shit hit 50 real quick.
Is that how I just laughed? Oh god.
It feels
Adjust the
cool.
sport mode and stuff. Cause I just reset my battery. We ain't gonna talk about that one. But y'all, she doing it. See, we ain't really getting into like the main.
I'm good. We're getting into a main street now.
I'm scared. We gonna see.
At least, or
Like you can't
it's
just
not even when I'm braking.
just hit it. Hit it. She didn't even hit it.
Oh, you fucker.
Oh Lord, you know what? I'm putting traction on. I have it in sports mode. I'm gonna leave the traction on though. So it's in sports mode, like shifts faster, like higher RPM.
Look how loud.
All right, we're gonna have to use the paddle shift. Hit it.
The what?
The
This?
minus, yeah. What mode? What's?
I don't know.
Hit it again.
4, 3.
Hurry up.
What do you mean, hurry up?
No, not hurry. Oh my. Okay, so once it gets to 50, hit it again. Hit it.
Where do you, babe, take that off. I'm scared. I'm gonna mess up
You
your
can just
car.
leave it. It's not in manual mode. It's in manual mode, but it's not like manual mode down here. So you could just drive normal even when it's in manual.
Even when it's in Those?
Yeah, it'll go away. It's not gonna
Oh,
stay
I
in.
see. This is in D now.
It's not gonna stay in manual mode unless I go like that.
I can finally fix the
You
mirrors
just.
better now.
Oh, I was say she's just looking at the camera
Because
just like.
you never drove my car, right?
No, I don't drive federal cars, so that'll be a
It's
first.
super federal.
And she got black wheels now.
They look good. Thanks to you.
They do, yeah. I picked them out because I got good taste. People like, you got a Charger. That is not good taste.
How's that not good taste?
Some people don't like Chargers.
What, Honda owners?
You ain't even hitting. You ain't even doing nothing.
Because there's cars.
She ain't playing with the pad of shit. She got her hand on that. It ain't like it ain't like your car. My shit will shift in the neutral.
I don't be playing with it though. I don't do that. I just like to have my hand on it. For left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh.
Help me, nigga!
Y'all, I quit. Going home.
No! I thought you were gonna open it for real.
Hit it. Girl, you is not hitting it. Do the thing I do.
Oh shit.
Bro, I ain't never been in my car like this. This shit weird. But I trust you though. I don't feel like you gonna crash.
I'm not. That's why I'm not like messing around too much. It doesn't feel that like, cause sometimes cars, like other people's cars feel different than driving your own car. But your car feels like good. It just has its own little features.
Yeah, it's probably like almost basically the same size as your car.
Yeah.
Just way more torque.
Way more. You said twerk.
She like the RT. I might have to keep them.
But I'm gonna have to turn this booty warmer out.
You gonna keep that heated steering wheel on though?
I'm gonna keep that on. Keeping my hands warm.
So yeah, y'all, I just let her drive a little car. Drive the car for a little bit. Cause we also about to go out to Chicago and shit. I guess I'll record that too. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go to the
City
Wonder
dates.
Museum.
Well, I said city date.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Hey!
Uh-oh. She's oh damn. I told you that. Damn.
That thing.
You just want to hear that shit fart. And I need gas, because I am not about to get no gas in the city.
No. He got a pump out here.
No.
He got a Costco card and he don't use it. Trying to get that gas. I'm always trying to save him a quick little buck.
I'm about to take my black ass with me. Hold on, go let it get down to 20 something, 25? 25?
It's not getting down to 25.
Bro, get it?
I'm actually driving faster. Get it? For what?
Alright, he's slowing down. Once it gets to 25. Hold on, just let it slow down, let it slow down.
It's at 25?
Let him, no. Let him get away a little bit. And then punch it. Just all the way. She wasn't in the right gear.
Oh.
I'm trying to help out with this, but
Like, you're
I
trying
can't
to
see what
teach
gear.
me.
Yeah. Because what I do
That's
is...
why I don't understand, because you'll talk to me about it, like what gears and what you're doing, and I see you clickety clackety. But when I'm sitting in passenger, I can't see shit that you're doing. Like, I don't understand what you clickety clackety on. And like what settings, numbers, I don't know.
Because like what I do is I like put it to like 20, like it'll be like 20 something miles an hour, and I'll have it in first gear.
Straight, right?
Yeah. Then I'll just punch it and it'll spin the tires. I've drifted over here too.
I don't know about that, babe.
So alright, we're gonna get her sliding. So RT ain't gonna slide that easy. We're gonna get her sliding. I'll
First
slid.
time.
Mm-hmm.
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 I was trying to zoom in, my dumb ass. Hang up behind you.
25. Set 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Punch it. Woo!
Dang!
Oh, we gonna do it again?
No.
Okay, just do it.
Scared.
Do it?
Quick.
Yeah. Okay. You know what I should have done? I should have just popped it right back in the drive, because you can do that. She was going to speed limit, though.
Yeah.
Tell you shit.
That was fun.
I told you this car was fun. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to put it into first.
Okay, so first.
Okay, go. It didn't spin this time, but this car be fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, smack.
All up in the neighborhood making these noises.
She all up in my railing. She ain't even doing it right. My head ain't really going back like that.
No? How do you,
right gear.
how do you do it right?
Shifted down the second gear.
Babe, I don't know these
Left side,
gears.
left one.
One?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That's how that shit feel. Damn.
Okay, how do I put it back?
It's cool. It's just leave it.
Okay.
It'll go back to normal. It wasn't even the sports mode.
That was fun.
Damn. Since I need gas, we could leave it in sports mode. Look, now she trying to be all calm and collected. There you go. There you go. Put it down in a second again.
To two?
So a little bit, yeah.
Oh shit, there you go.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
What, do what? Like push it?
Yeah, whatever. Damn.
Dang, that pulls.
Damn. Y'all, I ain't never felt it like this. This shit funny as hell. Damn. Careful, there might be 12 in there.
Oh shit, okay.
I ain't nobody there. We almost there because car wash is over there. Damn, y'all, I ain't never felt it like this. This shit funny. This shit funny as hell. Oh, damn.
Damn, it pushes for real.
And then we gonna hit the first turn
Oh
in. Damn, yeah. Oh, damn. About maybe throw my phone at my face. I'm gonna put that, take that sports mode off real quick. Yeah, she having fun. She.
Yeah.
I told
So
you.
now I know to put it into and then boom.
Yeah, like between like 30 and 40, you can put it into
Wait, where do I go?
this part right here.
Where?
Right here.
Here?
Yeah. So I can put it through.
You don't trust me to put it through?
Hell no. Because it got things on the sides.
Oh, okay.
She gonna fuck up my splitter. So, out of 10, that little bit that you had, it's not a cat, so it ain't gonna be nothing crazy. But
I mean, I've never driven a car like actually having fun like that. Because when I had mine, it broke down. So
it's a sad story.
a 9 because I didn't do everything.
But
I didn't understand the direction, so I didn't put it to its full potential.
But when I get a cat, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna lock it in. She gonna kill us.
I'm for real. I'm gonna practice with this one so that way when you do get one, like I already know what to do.
That shit gonna be hard as hell. I gotta get my shit black, orange, either one.
Yeah.
Or this color again would be fire as shit. There's
Yeah.
actually a dude there's a younger Mexican dude that had one. He had the wide body. That shit hard, but she said it was out of 10 or 9. So we're gonna go to Beamer boys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, switch seats. We gotta get a little thumbnail. And yeah, out of 10. Come on. We got the Beamer popping. He popping. Okay, I like it. Make it pop. Where you going? We gotta get a thumbnail. Come here. We gotta get a thumbnail. Come on. But yeah, y'all, we gonna get the thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna wash my car and we're gonna head to Chicago. We're gonna get back to it. She fine as hell. Yeah, but we're gonna see y'all in a second. Alright, so we made it to a restaurant. We're gonna go to the Wonder Museum, but yeah, we're gonna get food. It is some food. Bro, tell me this don't look like sherbet ice cream or something.
Right. It's pink.
Yeah, but it's like warm and shit, so I just gonna dip it in there. It's like it look like it shouldn't be tasting like that at warm.
Right.
That's a little weird. Yeah, we gonna order some food right quick. I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we're gonna figure it out.
Make sure you are not touching any artwork besides the sequin walls and any buttons and doorknobs. The first bathroom will be around the corner in the back right hallway, and the first exhibit will be to the left.
Alright, y'all, so we just came back from a meeting. We a little lit.
We're a little lit.
Just a little bit.
From some sangria.
Sangria.
Red wine.
But yeah, y'all, we just made it to the Wonder Museum. We're gonna see if it's actually good or not. I heard some people say it was kind of ass, but fuck it. We're in Chicago. Do something. We already got something to eat. But yeah, I'm about to show them our tickets. So once we get in, I'll show y'all some more. Maybe because we're a little late, it'll be more fun, right? All right, y'all. So me and my girl had to use the bathroom and shit, and I ain't never seen it. It's a bunch of females and only 2 dudes in the bathroom, bro. That shit's so awkward. Hey, it is what it is. Yeah, the family restaurant right here. So now we just gonna wait for her to get out. And we're gonna go through the museum. I'm still a little lit, bro. I can still feel it. But yeah, like I said, we just gonna wait for her to come back out and we're gonna get to it. Just a little picture things up in there. I mean, it's decent in here, I'm not lie, but we just started, so.
Yeah, we just started, so it's just the beginning.
Just trying to get rid of that litness in our system.
I'm
like
not trying to get it out.
I feel like I was doing a Michael Jackson shit like that. Wise. Fuck the haters. Like that.
Can I look at you?
I'm great. Oh, what's over here? Like, what the fuck? Look.
Is it a motion sensor?
Yeah.
Is
It's
it?
Ice Me vlogging. So there's no one. Let's see what this one look like. If I'm just like.
Is that you sticking your butt out?
No. Maybe. What does this one do? I'm just like.
How are you doing it?
This shit kind of ass right here. On to the next one. Oh, that'll be a little dope. That'll be a little dope spot right here to take a picture. Yo.
This actually doesn't.
Cheap Bezos. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit right here kind of cool though. Making beats up in here. Yeah. Hey, Metro Boomin, nigga. This shit kinda ass, I ain't gonna lie. Coming from someone who made music, this shit ass. Oh, this shit type fun. You know, see? This shit small. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna start it off. Yeah. She already messed it up. I didn't even know she was gonna do that. I'm not even trying to record and do that.